I love strawberry cupcakes. They're so fluffy and sweet. And there's nothing better than to take an already yummy dessert up a few notches, right? These pink cupcakes can easily be tricked out with strawberry flavored Pocky. Start by icing your cupcake and top each cupcake with a sliced strawberry. Then grab a Pocky stick and break it in half. Place each half in your cupcake like rabbit ears or straws. It almost looks like you can drink these cupcakes. Another option is to add deco Pocky sticks to your cupcakes for a little more flash. By the way, we have a how-to video on decorating Pocky sticks, so click right here or in the description below to learn how. This time, instead of fresh fruit, cover your cupcakes with plenty of sprinkles. Whoa, Tiger, settle down. Maybe not that much. Now that's better. Grab 2 deco Pocky sticks and stick them in so they face away from each other. A little more fancy, shall we say? Or you can pick up some donut holes and make deco Pocky cats. These little creatures are the cutest. Start by making a hole in the bottom of the donut with a chopstick. Then put a Pocky stick inside. Stick shaved almonds in the top for ears. Now take a small bit of marzipan and mold it into a small flat circle. Stick it on the donut for the muzzle. Grab a chopstick or a toothpick to draw the mouth with melted chocolate. Finally, use cake sprinkles as the eyes. Decorate your Pocky sticks, and voila! A dessert that's almost too cute to eat. Almost. Pocky isn't just a snack. What you do with it is limited only by your imagination, so have fun! I think I'm going to put some